In the world of kitchen appliances, this Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer stands out as a compact, efficient, and user-friendly option for those who love to indulge in homemade fried foods. Whether you're craving crispy French fries, golden onion rings, or delectable doughnuts, this deep fryer promises to deliver perfect results every time. This review delves into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer, providing you with all the information you need to decide if this is the right appliance for your kitchen. Imagine transforming your kitchen into a mini restaurant where you can whip up your favorite fried delicacies in no time. With the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer, you can achieve just that. Its compact size, efficient performance, and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone who loves fried food. From small apartments to dorm rooms, this deep fryer fits perfectly in any setting, making it convenient to enjoy delicious fried treats whenever you want. The Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer boasts a sleek stainless steel exterior that not only looks great but also stays cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling during operation. Its compact design, with a 4.2-cup 1-liter capacity, makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and even for those who have limited counter space. Despite its small size, it packs a punch when it comes to performance, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, dinners, and family gatherings. One of the standout features of the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer is its adjustable temperature control. The temperature dial is easy to use, allowing you to set the perfect frying temperature for a variety of foods. Whether you're making French fries, onion rings, fried chicken, shrimp, or doughnuts, the adjustable temperature ensures that your food is cooked to crispy perfection every time. This level of control is essential for achieving consistent results, making your frying experience hassle-free and enjoyable. Thanks to its efficient heating element, the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the frying process. This means you can cook your favorite fried foods in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. The fast cooking time is perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy homemade fried treats without spending too much time in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a meal for the family, this deep fryer gets the job done efficiently. Frying can be a messy endeavor, but the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer is designed to minimize mess and make cleaning up a breeze. The removable frying basket clips to the side of the fryer, allowing excess oil to drain back into the fryer and preventing oil drips on your countertop. The basket is also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean after each use. The non-stick coating on the interior ensures that food doesn't stick, further simplifying the cleaning process. Safety is a top priority when it comes to frying, and the Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer excels in this area. The stainless steel exterior is designed to stay cool to the touch, even during operation, preventing accidental burns and making it safe to handle. This cool touch feature is particularly useful if you have kids or pets around the kitchen. Additionally, the fryer is CETL approved with advanced safety technology, ensuring long-lasting durability and safe use. Chefman stands behind their products, offering a 1-year warranty on the Fry Guy deep fryer. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you are covered in case of any issues or defects. Chefman's customer support is also top-notch, with a dedicated team ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. The company provides a PDF user guide with detailed instructions on how to use and maintain your fryer, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and sleek design fits small spaces, adjustable temperature control for perfect frying, fast cooking time for quick meals, mess-free frying with removable basket and non-stick coating, cool touch exterior for safe handling, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, CETL approved with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Cons: 4.2-cup capacity may not be sufficient for larger gatherings, limited to small batch frying. Final verdict: a must-have for fried food lovers. The Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love fried foods but have limited space. Its compact size, efficient performance, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for home frying. Whether you're a college student in a dorm, a small apartment dweller, or simply someone who enjoys the occasional fried treat, This deep fryer delivers excellent results with minimal effort. The adjustable temperature control, fast cooking time, and easy cleaning make it a convenient and practical appliance for any household. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.